Good morning, my dear students. First of all, a very warm welcome to all of you, those who are attending online lecture. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. Standard 3rd, subject English. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh, your English teacher. So students, I request to everyone to open your English Balbharti textbook as well as remove your pencil also to tick out the hard words. Students, turn the page now. This is the first page of your English Balbharti textbook. Students, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the contents. Students, as you can see, the units are divided into 4. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3 and Unit 4. If you see in the Unit 1, there are total 10 chapters are there, right? And today we will start with the very first poem. The poem name is A Pretty Game. So students, can you see? Yes, this is the first page where the poem starts. Okay. Unit 1, poem number 1, A Pretty Game. So students, today we are going to learn a very interesting poem. Students, before I start explaining this poem, first of all, do you like to play games? Yes, I know that everyone likes to play game. Yes? And you know that students, there are so many games are there. Outdoor game as well as indoor games. Yes? Yes, you all of you like outdoor games most. But in this period of lockdown, you must have to play only indoor games. Means the game which is played inside the house. For example, carom, chess, ludo, etc. Students, which game do you like to play? Yes, I know that most of the students are going to say cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho, badminton, etc. Right? But as you know, the lockdowns are there, so you have to play games which is played inside the house. Okay? Now, in this poem, also the poet wants to tell us about a pretty game. Right? Students, before I start the explanation of this poem, first of all, I am going to recite the whole poem. Then afterward, I will explain you in a line wise. Okay? So here, the very first line. Unit 1, poem number 1. A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So students, now the very first line. Students, the topic name, as you know, a pretty game. Students, what is the meaning of pretty? Pretty means pleasant, beautiful. Pretty means sundar, right? Game. Game means everyone know. Khel, right? Now come to the very first line. The sun and the rain in fickle weather. Students, fickle means something that changes quickly or suddenly. Fickle means what? Changing frequently. The climate changes very fast. So here, weather means मौसम. So, the sun and the rain in fickle weather. Sun means सूरज. Rain means बारिश. Fickle means, as I told you, the climate changes very fast. मौसम बहुत जल्दी चेंज होता है. तो इस चेंज मौसम में कौन कौन है? सूरज है और बारिश है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? द सन एंड द रेन इन फिकल वेदर. वी आर प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक टुगेदर. So here students, the sun and the rain are playing a beautiful game. And which game they are playing? Yes, they are playing hide and seek game. Students, जो सूरज है और बारिश है वो दोनों खेल खेल रहे बदलते हुए मौसम में. कौन सा खेल खेल रहे हैं? लुका छुपी. हाइड एंड सीक मीन्स व्हाट? लुका छुपी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? द सन and the rain, they both are playing hide and seek game in fickle weather. And where they are playing? Yes, they are playing this game in the sky. Right students? Students, again I am asking one question to you. Which game they are playing? Can anyone say the answer? Yes, it's right answer. They are playing hide and seek game, right? And who is playing hide and seek game? The sun and the rain. They both are playing hide and seek game, right students? So students, now let's see a rhyming word from these two lines. Students, can you see the circle part? Yes? Weather, together, the two words. It's a pair of rhyming word. Students, what is the meaning of rhyming word? Rhyming word means that have same or similar ending sound. So here, weather, together. This is the rhyming word. Got it students, everyone? Just stick out in your textbook, weather, together. This is the rhyming word. Okay? Now students, move to the next two lines. So here, the next line, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Students, chase means to run after somebody to catch that person. So here, the sun and the rain are catching each other from their hiding place. So here students, and each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place. Students, everyone know how to play hide and seek game, right? So here students, the sun and the rain are catching each other from their hiding place. Here the climate is changing suddenly students, as I told you. Sometimes it's raining and sometimes it's sunny, right? जैसे कि यहाँ पर जो सूरज है और बारिश है वो दोनों खेल खेल रहे हैं. कौन सा खेल खेल रहे थे? लुका छुपी का. तो उसमें एक जन छुपता है और दूसरा उसे पकड़ता है, राइट? तो यहाँ पर भी कौन खेल खेल रहा है? सूरज और बारिश. तो जब सूरज छुपता है तो बारिश होती है और जब बारिश रुक जाती है तो सूरज बाहर निकलता है. सो हियर एज इट इज सेड, समटाइम इट्स रेनिंग एंड समटाइम इट्स सनी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ लेट अस सी द राइमिंग वर्ड फ्रॉम दिस टू लाइन्स. Students, as I told you, rhyming word means that have same or similar ending sound. So let's see. Students, can you see the circle part? Yes. This is the second pair of rhyming word. So here, chess, plays. Students, everyone put a tick out in your textbook. This is the rhyming word. Okay, students? Now students, move to the next two lines. At last, they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So here, students, the sun and the rain, they both met to each other. And what did they said? They said goodbye. And at that time, when the sun and the rain, they both met to each other, that time what happened? Yes, the rainbow spanned in the sky. Span means the rainbow spread from one end to the other. So it is called spanned. Right, students? So here the sun and the rain, when they met to each other, they said goodbye. So that time what happened? The rainbow appeared in the sky. Right? Students, rainbow spread from one end to the other. As it is said, spanned. The word spanned means spread from one end to the other. And what thing is spread? Yes, it's a rainbow. Rainbow spread from one end to the other in the sky. When the sun is shining, right? And somewhere it is raining. At that time, you can see a rainbow. Students, in the sky, what we see? We see rainbow, right? How many colors are there in a rainbow? Can anyone say? Yes, there are 7 colors. How many colors are there? 7 colors in the rainbow, right? And which are they? Yes, there are 7 colors in a rainbow, right, students? And the rainbow appeared in the sky, as you know, right? But the colors are according wise, okay? They are in a proper order. So let's see the color. So here there are 7 colors. And which are they? Yes, the very first one, it's a red. Then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the last one is violet. So students, how many colors are there? Yes, there are 7 colors. And name the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the last one is violet. So students, we had seen the rainbow colors. Yes. Now here the poet says finally that the sun and the rain met each other and said goodbye. And at that time, what happened? Means at that moment, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. Students, how the rainbow appeared in the sky? Yes, the rainbow spread from one end to the other. So, as I told you, right? The rainbow appear in the sky. Students, in this also we can see the rhyming words, as I told you. Right, students? So here in this line, the rhyming words are goodbye and the next word is sky. This is the third pair of the rhyming word. Understood, students? So students, everyone understood the last 2 lines also? Okay. Now let's see a short recap of this poem. So students, as I told you, a pretty game. Pretty means pleasant, beautiful, right? जिसे हम कहते हैं सुंदर. Game means खेल, right? So here now, the sun and the rain in the fickle weather. Students, a game between the sun and the rain. They both are playing game. And which game they are playing? Yes, they are playing hide and seek game in the sky. And which weather they are playing? In a fickle weather. Means the weather which is changes frequently. जैसे मैंने कहा था, सूरज और बारिश दोनों जन खेल खेल रहे हैं बदलते हुए मौसम में. और कौन सा खेल खेल रहे हैं? लुका छुपी का खेल. Students, in these two lines, there is a one pair of rhyming word, weather, together. Students, जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा था, इस दो लाइन में एक rhyming word है और वो rhyming word कौन सा है? Weather, together. Students, you all of you have to study this poem, okay? Now, the next two lines. And each in turn will try to chase the other from his hiding place, right? So here they are chasing to find out one another, right? Students, वो लोग दोनों एक दूसरे को ढूंढ रहे हैं जहाँ पर वो लोग छुपे हुए हैं. और कौन छुपे हुए थे? सूरज और बारिश, राइट? वो दोनों छुप रहे थे क्योंकि वो लोग कौन सा खेल खेल रहे थे? लुका छुपी का खेल. So students, in this two lines, the rhyming word is chess, please, right? Now students, this is the last two lines. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So in the end, at last, they both met to each other. At that time, what they said? They said goodbye, right? And in that time, in that moment, what happened, children? Yes, the rainbow spanned in the sky. The rainbow appeared in the sky, right? And span means spread from one end to the other. Right, students? I hope everyone understood this poem. Students, now let's read the poem. So students, now you all of you just read after me this poem. Okay? It's a very important poem for the exam. Okay, students? Unit 1, poem number 1. A pretty game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So students, I hope everyone understood the poem, right? Now I am going to ask you a question answer. So students, what were the sun and the rain doing? सूरज और बारिश क्या कर रहे थे? Can anyone say the answer? So the answer is the sun and the rain were playing hide and seek in the sky. So students, what were the sun and the rain doing? Yes, the sun and the rain were playing hide and seek game in the sky. सूरज और बारिश क्या कर रहे थे? यस, वो लोग खेल खेल रहे थे. और कौन सा खेल खेल रहे थे? लुका छुपी का खेल. कहाँ खेल रहे थे? आसमान में. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, द सन and the rain were playing hide and seek in the sky. Students, everyone understood this question answer? Okay. Now move to the next question answer, students. This is a revision part. Okay. Now the second question is, what happened when the sun and the rain said goodbye? Students, क्या हुआ था जब सूरज ने बारिश को गुड बाय कहा था? जब वो दोनों ने एक दूसरे को गुड बाय कहा था तो क्या हुआ था? यस, कैन एनीवन से द आंसर? एंड द आंसर इज, व्हेन द सन एंड द रेन सेड गुड बाय, अ रेनबो अपीयर्ड. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे कि मैंने कहा था, जब सूरज ने और बारिश ने एक दूसरे को गुड बाय कहा था तब क्या हुआ था? हाँ, आसमान में रेनबो आ गया था. राइट? वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स, एवरीवन, वेरी गुड. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Students, in the poem I had explained you the rhyming word, right? So this is the next question which I am going to ask you. Write the rhyming pairs of the word from the poem. So the question is whether, and the answer is together. This is the rhyming word. Now the second one. So students, this is the last question of the revision part, right? Name the colors of the rainbow. Students, now only I had taught you, right? The colors of the rainbow. And which are those colors? All of you just repeat after me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the last one is violet. Students, these all are the colors of the rainbow, right? Students, I hope everyone understood this poem. Right, students? Now let's see the homework part. Okay? And the second one is chess, place. And the third one is, students, goodbye. The answer is sky. Students, now move to the next question. So students, now the homework part. Now the homework is, you have to write this poem one time in your English notebook. Got it, students? Again I am saying, the homework is only you have to write this poem one time in your English notebook. Understood, students? Students, I hope everyone understood this poem, right? Students, if you have any doubt regarding the homework part or about the explanation, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.